Don't need more motivation. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. You need to decide, what direction am I going in? Because staying still is still a choice. And the real question is, what is one thing you know you need to change but haven't acted on yet? Some people hear truth and nothing happens. Others hear the same truth and everything changes. Matthew 3 shows you the difference, not what you hear, but what you do next.
Go and read the full chapter for yourself. Let it speak to you directly. And if you want to grow closer to the Bible, like, subscribe, and join us for more 10-Minute Bible, as we break it down into simple, manageable pieces. Thank you for watching.